Welcome. In this video, we will discuss about the ARIEL, which is Atmospheric Remote Sensing Infrared Exoplanet Large Survey. What it is all about, what is its main target, what it will study, we will discuss about that in detail in the upcoming slides. So let's move forward. So the European Space Agency, so which is the space agency associated with this ARIEL project? It is your ESA, European Space Agency, has formally adopted ARIEL, the explorer that will study the nature, formation and evolution of exoplanet. So what is the major area of study for ARIEL? It is actually exoplanets. So it will go ahead and study about the exoplanets. Proxima Centauri b is the closest exoplanet to Earth and is 4 light years away and inhabits the habitable zone of its stars, which means that it could possibly have liquid water on its surface. A related terms used in this particular thing is your Goldilocks zones. So go ahead and check what Goldilocks zone means about and drop a comment what do you understand by Goldilocks zones. So Proxima Centauri b is the closest exoplanet known to us as of now. So as of now the existence of more than 4,000 exoplanet is considered confirmed. So various agencies, NASA's, ESA and the other agencies, space agencies has confirmed so far 4,000 exoplanets. This particular ARIEL mission, what it is going to do, we will discuss also about that in the upcoming slides. So first of all, let's try to understand what are basically exoplanets. So planets that lie outside the solar system and orbit around stars other than the sun are called exoplanets or extrasolar planets. So we know that we have a solar system. So in the solar system we have 8 planets along with the Earth. All these planets revolve around the star which we call as sun. So even Earth revolves around the sun. So these particular planets are within our solar system. So hence we call them planets only. The planets which are like outside the solar system and instead of our sun, if they are revolving around any other sun, then they would be called as exoplanets. Exoplanets are not easy to detect since they are much less brighter than the stars they orbit, and hence it is difficult to see them directly using telescopes. So this is an interesting point to be noted, that exoplanets cannot be detected easily because what happened, they are moving around these stars and the star is so bright, so telescope will not be able to see the exoplanets. So NASA's Kepler Space Telescope uses the method that involves tracking the dimming of the star that happens when the planet passes in front of it. So how the NASA's Kepler Space Telescope used to find the exoplanet? It is that it will actually track the dimming of a star. So the star around which this exoplanet is revolving, it will wait or it will track the dimming of that star and then will like capture the movement when it is in front of it. So that's how the Kepler Space Telescope of NASA is finding the exoplanet. The other method to track exoplanet include gravitational lensing and wobbling method, which is based on the idea that an orbiting planet will cause its parent star to orbit slightly off center. So wobbling effect is there, that whenever, so in our solar system also we see we are following the elliptical path or the off centering is done. So accordingly scientists throughout the world or the astrophysicists, they also try to figure out how the wobbling effect of gravitational lensing could be used to find out where the exoplanet is. So these are the few details about the exoplanets. Now let's study about the ARIEL space mission. So its name is Atmospheric Remote Sensing Infrared Exoplanet Large Survey, which scientists are planning to launch by 2029. So this is not something which is launched, it will be launched in 2029. Will perform a large scale survey of over 1,000 exoplanets over a period of 4 years. So it is its mission statement that large scale survey of 1,000 exoplanets over a period of 4 years. So this is its mission statement. ARIEL is the first mission of its kind dedicated to measuring the chemical composition and thermal structures of hundreds of exoplanets. So this is actually the first of its kind which will try to understand the chemical composition and the thermal structure of those exoplanets. ARIEL will help to answer one of the key questions of ESA Cosmic Vision Plan, which is what are the conditions for planet formation and the emergence of life. In fact, not only ESA, this is one of the very basic question of the space explorer or space scientists throughout have been that what is something which actually support life on other planets. So extraterrestrial life is something which is very interesting for all the space scientists. So NASA also has a mission which is going to find the exoplanet or dedicated to the survey of exoplanet, and it is by the name of TESS. So, aerial space mission is by ESA, TESS is by NASA. So, just remember these things. So, you have to, things you need to take from here is, first of all, aerial mission. What is this mission statement? It is supposed to be looking out for the large scale survey of the exoplanet for 4 years. It will be launched in 2029. It is majorly like it is the mission of ESA, which is the European Space Agency, and also what is exactly the exoplanets are. So I hope you have understood this video. If you have any doubt, feel free to drop a comment. Thank you.